Once upon a time, in the grand kingdom of India, there lived the wise and mighty King Akbar. He ruled with kindness, fairness, and a very royal beard. But one fine morning, something very strange happened.
Someone pulled my beard today.
What? Who dares to do that to the king?
Everyone in the royal court was surprised. Who could possibly be so brave or so foolish to pull the king's beard?
My dear courtiers, what should I do with the person who did this?
Send him out of the kingdom, your majesty. No, no! Lock him in jail for a week!
While others are speaking, Akbar watches his friend and companion, Birbal. He asks him,
What do you think, Birbal?
Your Majesty, I think you should give the person the best sweets in the entire kingdom.
What? Sweets? What are you saying, Birbal?
Only the king's grandson dares to pull his beard. Surely the little boy should not be punished for that.
Akbar laughs loudly and praises Birbal for his clever answer.
Ha 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 ha! Birbal, you are truly the wisest of them all.
That evening, King Akbar gave his grandson a plate full of delicious sweets.
Next time, little one, just say hello instead of pulling my beard.
And that's why everyone in Akbar's court loved Birbal, the cleverest man in the kingdom. Moral of the story: wisdom and kindness make the best answers. Think before you act, and always stay gentle. Did you enjoy the story? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to @InspireBloomKids for more magical stories filled with fun, wisdom, and smiles.